Look here children, now we are going to see the 8th question in 1.1. An amount of rupees 5,000 is to be deposited in 3 different bonds bearing 6%, 7% and 8% per year respectively. Total amount is to be deposited is 5,000. Divide that amount of 5,000 into 3 different bonds and deposit at 6%, 7% and 8% respectively. Okay va? 3 different amount, 3 different rate of interest la deposit pandrom. Total amount is to be deposited is 5,000. Okay va? Total annual income is rupees 358. Annual income is nothing but the interest which is earned from 3 different deposits. Okay, if the income from the first 2 investment is 70 more than the income from the third, அதாவது interest from first 2 investment is equal to 70 plus the interest from the third investment. Okay, then find the amount of investment in each bond by rank method. You are going to find the 3 different deposits by using rank method. Okay va? Isla 3 different data given, 3 equations நம்ம form பண்ணலாம் with the help of data given in the question. Okay va? First data என்னன்னா taking 3 different deposit as x, y, z. Okay va? அப்போ x plus y plus z வந்து 5,000 எடுத்துக்கணும். That is equation number 1. And total annual income அப்படின்னா interest from first one, interest from second one and interest from third one. If you add all these 3, that is equal to 358. Okay va? That is second equation. And third equation using this 70 plus. Okay va? First and second interest is equal to 70 plus the third interest. Okay, let us see the equation now. Let the deposit at 6%, 7% and 8% to be rupees x, rupees y, rupees z respectively. Okay va? In the rate of interest தான் deposit பண்ணுறோம். So that amount you should take as x, y, z. So sum of these 3 investments is equal to 5,000, x plus y plus z. Interest from all the 3 investment is equal to rupees 358. 3 investmentலேருந்தும் கிடைக்கிற interest add பண்ணா 358. It is given in the question. So how can you calculate this interest? By using PNR by 100 formula. Interest வந்து PNR by 100, simple interest calculation. Treat that principal as x, n as 1, r as 6%. Okay va? 6 into x into investment into 1 year, n into r, 6% by 100. If you take second investment, interest is rate of interest is 7. So 1 year தான் எல்லாத்துக்குமே எடுத்துக்கணும். Take this now. By taking second investment y, n 1, interest 7 by 100. Again third investment z into 1 into 8. Third interest, rate of interest by 100 is equal to 358. Sum of all these 3 interest is equal to 358. Multiply throughout by 100, you will get 6x, 7y, 8z is equal to, இங்க எல்லாமே 100 cancel ஆயிடும் multiply பண்ணும்போது. இங்க 35,800 வரும். That is equation number 2. Okay, using PNR by 100 formula, you can find out the interest of each investment. Okay, third data is nothing but sum of first and second interest is equal to 70 plus the third interest. First and second interest na 6x by 100, 7y by 100. Third interest na 8z by 100. Okay va? 70 more அப்படினா 70 plus. Okay, again here also you should multiply throughout by 100. இங்க 100 cancel ஆயிடும், இங்க 100 cancel ஆயிடும். இங்க multiply பண்ணோம்னா 7000. Here also 100 cancelled and you'll get you can bring the 8z to the left side, you will get the equation like this, third equation. Okay, and as usual you are going to write it in matrix form. Equation 1 la irundhu coefficients 1 1 1, 6 7 8, 6 7 minus 8. Okay, variables x, y, z and the right hand sides 5,000, 35,800, last one 7,000. Write this right hand side carefully children, because you are adjusting, no, adjustment பண்ணி என்ன கொண்டு வரீங்களோ that should be written as the right hand side. Okay, Ax equal to b is the matrix form. Augmented matrix can be taken, that is joining this A and B. You can write it like this. First A matrix and B matrix club and write like this. Elementary transformations can be used to make it in a echelon form. And multiply this row 1 with 6, subtract row 2. Again multiply row 1 with 6, subtract row 3. Adjustments here, 6r1 minus r2, 6r1 minus r3. Transformations done. You can use your rough column for working this children. Okay, rough column is being used here. Rough column, row 1 into 6, 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 5s are 30,000. Into 6 7 8, 35,800. Okay, if you subtract this 6 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5,008, use calculator for this. And the second adjustment also, multiply with the row 1 6 and row 3 will come as it is. Subtract and write this is 0 minus 1 plus 14, the 23,000 will come. You can use your calci for doing this. This is 7,000. Okay, now the fresh matrix is like this. Now your aim is making this number 0, children. This number 0 you can make it with the help of row 2, is it not? Already this number and this number both are same, so you need not multiply anything. Symbols same are there, you can use subtraction. So row 2 minus row 3 will give you the answer for row 3. Okay, let us move to the next work. Row 2 minus row 3 implies row 3. You can again use rough column, children, for doing this. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 14. This is the rough work. You can write row 2 and row 3 as it is. Change the symbol throughout so that you can make it 0, and this becomes minus 16 and this becomes minus 28,800. Okay, you can replace that row 3 now. Replaced row 3. And one more step is there, writing again in matrix form. I didn't write, but you must write it, children. How will you write? 1 1 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 and finally 0 0 minus 16, and this is x y z, and this is equal to 5,000 minus 5,800 minus 28,800. Definitely you should write this. After writing this only you can go for equation form. Equation form you already know that x plus y plus z equal to 5,000. 0x you need not, y minus 2z is equal to minus 5,800, and finally minus 16z equal to minus 28,800. See, we are coming to the matrix form since it has become in echelon form. Okay, so after making the echelon form you can write the matrix form, then you can write the equation form, then you try to get the answer for z from third equation. Bring this minus, can cancel minus, and you can bring this 16 to the denominator. Use calc to get the answer for z, and this z value can be given in equation number 2 so that you will get the value for y. Okay, 2 into 1,800, 3,600 minus 3,600, that side becomes plus 3,600. Subtract using calc, you will get minus 2,000. Minus cancelling both sides, you get y value. Substitute this y value and z value in equation number 1. So that the equation becomes like this: x plus 2,200 plus 1,800 equal to 5,000. Okay, and adding these two, this is 4,000. If you take it to that side, you will get 1,000. Okay, minus 4,000. 5,000 minus 4,000 is 1,000. You should not leave the answer with this. You must give the answer along with the way, since it is the way problem. Deposit at 6% is rupees 1,000. 6% deposit name x and kuduthirukkom, so 1,000 rupees. Deposit at 7% is rupees 2,000, so 200, that is nothing but y value. Deposit at 8% is rupees 1,800, that is nothing but the z value. You must give the last way like this only, since it is way problem. Is it clear, children? Any doubt? Possible to understand, Amma? Okay, ma. Thank you.